Fresca here, heading down to San Felipe, get down to Loreto and prep the boat for our Bisbee's 24. So Baja is gonna take the win.
Beauty.
That's what we're going for.
All right, I like it. What you got for us?
I always have words.
Okay.
I always have words. Well, we started today at 6 a.m. and we always have some fun as you start a trip. So we're getting ready to head to San Felipe today. Tomorrow we'll put the boat in the water. Hopefully be in Loreto by, what is today, Friday? So hopefully by Saturday morning we'll be in Loreto, have everything buttoned up, ready to rock and roll. Get some fishing in hopefully, test the boat out, get it all cleaned up, and then about a week after we'll take it to Cabo and be ready for the Bisbee. So lots to do, lots of fun to be had still, and a little bit of adventure still across the border. So today should have plenty of fun.
Great.
Last time that you find it, the rubber moved. Yeah.
Nice work, Justin.
All right, you gotta use your strong arm.
All right, Baja Vida crew, where are we at?
Yeah, we were here in San Felipe. We just made it.
Got Doug out the window over here. Say hi, Doug.
Hey there.
Safety first.
Safety first, Doug. Safety first.
Morning. Where are we at?
We're here in San Felipe.
Heck yeah.
Get some fuel.
Right on.
Hey, good morning.
What's going on, Doug?
Oh, beautiful morning in San Felipe. Gonna put this beautiful boat in the water and head south.
Nice.
Looking forward to it.
What do you got going on, Chris?
Well, it's Bisbee's prep, right? We're down in San Felipe. We got Salsa Fresca here. We got Franco and Doug and yourself and Chase team. We're gonna get the boat in the water today. We will probably end up LA Bay-ish. And then tomorrow we'll get ourselves into Loreto, get the boat stored, and then it'll be prepped and ready for us to head down to Cabo for the Bisbees early next month. All right, here in San Felipe, getting all the final straps off the boat, about to hit it up on the launch. It's almost ready to go.
Yeah, big launch ramp. Here we go. Chris isn't stressed at all.
Really makes you appreciate Havasu and stuff, like 40-foot launch ramp. Right, so this is where you get out and make sure that I'm good on launch ramp.
We'll take a peek.
Keep that GoPro going.
Yeah. All right, guys, here we are launching in San Felipe. Got quite the launch ramp here. We are full of fuel and water, ready to go. Right on.
Alright, Justin's going to work. Water's bath water right now, dude. Oh, yeah, almost ate shit. You guys good? You fired up?
Fired up, yeah.
You're good? Alright, boys.
Alrighty, boys.
Who's filming who?
I'm filming you.
It's a beautiful day here in San Felipe.
Oh, yeah. Here we go, the final unleashing.
Take that chain off. Take that chain off before you let that thing go, dude. You'll never get that chain off. Yeah, but you'll never get it off. Once that boat gets to full tension, you'll be screwed. Hey, take the slack out of it down here. and undo it completely, and then we won't have to worry about it. Now take the other piece off, and it undoes the whole thing, right? And undo it from the turnbuckle, and then you have a free chain, and you can let it out. It was a little tight. There, now you can let it out, and you can just pull the chain. Hey, before you pull off too hard, we gotta pull a chain off. No, you're good right now. There we go. We didn't want the boat to leave and the chain to be hooked up, and the turnbuckle on the box.
Free.
There we go, dude. We're free. All right, boys. You guys are ready to rock and roll. Need me to bump you back? Tap back. You're good. She's a big girl. You're off. See you guys later.
Wouldn't this be rad of the boat? Yeah. Okay.
7-Eleven Select.
Highest quality. Here we go again. What highway?
Santa Rosalia. Thursday, 6:15 p.m. Just pulling in.
So we just completed our day run from San Felipe to Santa Rosalia, and we're just doing finishing touches, cleaning the boat up. Franco, say hi to the camera. So welcome to beautiful Santa Rosalia. Nice and balmy, 95 degrees and sweating. So it is what it is. Looking forward to tomorrow's sun in Loreto.
There. Over there. Jerky. Over there. Jerky. 43. Hold on.
Day 3 Santa Rosalia, head to Loreto, secure our boat, and enjoy the rest of our day.
Here we go, guys. This is from Santa Rosalia. Thanks for the hospitality.
Good morning from Santa Rosalia, Salsa Fresca, and Baja Vida. We are heading south, finish up our day run to Loreto. Get the boat on a trailer, secured, and get ready to bring the next boat down. Wonderful day here, Santa Rosalia. Wonderful people. We'll be back.
Alright, here we are, day 3, leaving Santa Rosalia, headed to Loreto. Should be there in like 2.5 hours. And we're going to get the boat pulled out of the water later on. Bye, Santa Rosalia.
Here we are in Loreto. There's Salsa Fresca. Say hi.
You just flip it, we'll jump and go.
Say hi, Franco.
A little more weather today, huh? Truck.
What you got here, Franco?
One of the best days in the morning.
Yeah?
I think Tom loved me because he said he's gonna grab me one of these.
Right on. You're gonna catch some big fish?
That's badass.
I love it.
She's like, then you don't have to pull it up to the marlin.
Alright, here we go.
All day. Half my body was wet, the other half was dry. all the fishes on my side were warm. We saw one turtle. That was it.
¿Qué pasó?
Hey, ¿qué pasó?
Dad, 100% we're gonna get it. There he goes, behind you.
Just hold it up. All you gotta do is hold it up.
You got it? Oh, God.
Catch fish, hold it up.
Good. I catch a lot of fish. That's Wait.
Oh, there you go. Just steady.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go, bro.
Yeah, you got it. Slow up, crank down.
Yeah. Alright, drop the board. Right?
First fish, bro.
I get it now. I got it. Running.
Yeah. I'm just gonna leave the motor down too.
What's up, Franco?
Hey, how you doing, bro? Play your fish.
Heck yeah.
So you had a cooler?
Fish tacos in our future.
Oh, yeah.